Hello everyone. Today we are going to see our exercise 2.5, which means we are going to use our algebraic identities. Now, your fourth question, expand each of the following using suitable identities. See here, x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square, which means x plus y plus z the whole square. What is the formula? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Simply we are going to substitute our x, y and z value. So x square plus 2y the whole square plus 4z the whole square plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2 into 4z into x. If we simplify, what we are getting? X square plus 4y square plus 16z squared plus 2 into 2 4xy plus 2 into 2 into 4 4 into 4 16yz plus 2 4s are 8 zx. This is your answer. Alright, next your second question, 2x minus y plus z the whole square. This is also the same thing, but only thing, y is having minus. So whenever you are putting y value, you should add minus. So x plus y plus z the whole square. 2x minus y plus z the whole square is equal to x square. 2x the whole square plus y square minus y the whole square plus z square plus 2 into 2x into minus y plus 2 into minus y into z plus 2 into z into 2x. If we simplify, what we will get? 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. The only thing, you have to know the expansion of the identity. Then simply we are going to substitute the value of x, y and z. Next is minus 2x plus 5y and minus 3z the whole square. The same thing, in the place of x we have to put minus 2x. In the place of z we have to put minus 3z. So minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z the whole square equal to minus 2x the whole square plus 5y the whole square plus minus 3z the whole square. 2 into minus 2x into 5y plus 2 into 5y into minus 3z plus 2 into minus 3z into minus 2x. Simplify, what we will get? 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square minus 2x 20xy minus 30yz plus 12zx. You should be conscious while you are substituting the minus numbers, right? And then your fifth problem, we have to factorize. They have given one expansion, we have to factorize. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16z. After saying this, we came to one conclusion, that is, this is x plus y plus z the whole squared formula. How we have to write? First find out the perfect square of x. So 2 square will gives you 4. So 2x the whole square plus 9 means 3 square 9, 3y the whole square, 16 means 4 4z the whole square plus 2 into x into y, 2x into 3y minus 2 into y into z. Like that we are substituting. Next we have to find the sign. In the corner I work it out. Once you put on the look. Next, sixth problem. Write the following cubes in expanded form. The squares are get over. Now we are going to do the cubes. 2x plus 1 the whole cube, which means x plus y the whole cube. What is the formula of x plus y the whole cube? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Simply we are going to substitute the value of x and y. Here what is your x? 2x. What is your y? 1. So 2x the whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 2x into 1 into 2x plus 1. 8x cube plus 1 plus 3 into 2 6x and 2x plus 1. 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. Then finally we got the answer. Simply we are going to substitute the value of x and y in that identity. Only thing, you have to know the expansion of that identity. Next, 2a minus 3b the whole cube. For this we can apply x minus y the whole cube formula also. Here once I will give you x plus y the whole cube formula, but wherever you are going to substitute the value of y, you have to include the sign, which means minus 3b. So 2a cube plus minus 3b the whole cube plus 3 into 2a into minus 3b into 2a plus minus 3b. After simplifying, what we are getting? 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18ab into 2a minus 3b. If we multiply inside 18ab, 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square. Is it clear? Either you can use x minus y the whole cube formula. If you are using x minus y, no need to take the sign. See another problem. X minus 2 by 3 y the whole cube. Here I am using x minus y the whole cube formula. Right? So x cube minus 2 by 3 y the whole cube. No need to put minus 2 by 3. Already in the formula we are having minus. So minus 3 into x into y, 2 by 3 y into x minus 2 by 3 y the whole 2 by 3 y. Right, next x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 3x into 2 by 3 y. 3 gets cancelled and 3x minus 2y by 3. Simply we are substituting the value of x and substituting the value of y as 2 by 3. Here no need to take the sign minus 2 by 3 because we are putting the formula x minus y the whole cube. Right, already in the formula we are having minus. So x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus the 3 and 3 gets cancelled, the remaining thing we are putting again x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2xy into 3x minus 2 by 3 into y. So x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus, next what we are doing, we are multiplying to xy into that bracket, 6 by 3 x square y plus 4 by 3 xy square. 6 by 3 means 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2 x square y plus 4 by 3 xy square. Is it clear? Nothing but we are substituting the value of x and y. If you find that is in the form of x minus y the whole cube, apply the formula x minus y the whole cube. If it is plus, x plus y the whole cube. Next we are going to find evaluate using identities. Already we seen 99 the whole cube. How can we put for square? We seen 100 minus 1 the whole cube. So x minus y the whole cube. Your x is 100, your y is 1. So substitute in the formula x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. X means 100. 100 cube minus y means 1. 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 into 100 minus 1. So 100 cube, which means 6 zeros you have to put, minus 1 minus 300 into 100 minus 1, 99. Right? Then if we simplify, we are getting that 970299. Is it clear? It's nothing but we are going to substitute the value of x and y. See here, 102 the whole cube. How we can split? 100 plus 2 the whole cube. So this is in the form of x plus y the whole cube. So what is the formula? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So 100 the whole cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 100 into 2 into 100 plus 2. So 100 cube means 6 zeros will be, 2 cube means 8 plus 3 into 100 into 2, 600, 100 plus 2, 102. Simply we are adding everything. Here once you are multiplying 600 into 102, you will get 61200. Then if we add, what we are getting? 1061208. Is it clear? Simply we are substituting the value of x and y. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remaining thing we will discuss in our next class. Thank you.